Want to create a form quickly and effortlessly using Google Drive in 2025? Whether it's for surveys, event registrations, quizzes, or feedback, Google Forms is one of the easiest tools you can use, and you don't need any special skills to get started. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a form directly from your Google Drive, customize it like a pro, and share it instantly with anyone. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to create and manage forms like an expert. First, sign in to your Google Drive using your Gmail account. Once you're in, click on the plus new button located at the top left corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down and select Google Forms. If you don't see it right away, click on More to expand the options. Once your blank form opens, start by giving it a title. Click where it says Untitled Form and type in your form's name. Below that, you can add a brief description so people know what your form is about. Now, let's add your first question. Click on the question field and type your question. On the right side, you'll see different question types. See multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, short answer, and more. Choose the format that best fits your question. To add more questions, simply click the plus icon on the toolbar to the right. You can also add images, videos, or even section breaks to organize longer forms. Next, let's customize the appearance. Click the palette icon at the top to choose a theme color, font style, and header image if you want your form to match your brand or event style. Before sharing, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Here, you can control who can fill out the form. For example, limit responses to 1 per person, collect email addresses, or even make it a quiz to assign points automatically. Once you're happy with everything, click the Send button at the top right. You can share your form via email, a direct link, or even embed it on a website. If you want a shorter link, just click Shorten URL before copying it. And that's it. Your form is now live and ready to collect responses. All responses will automatically be stored in your Google Forms dashboard, and you can also link them to a Google Sheet for easier analysis. And there you have it. A complete step-by-step guide to creating a form using Google Drive in 2025. Whether you're collecting feedback, managing signups, or running a quiz, this method is fast, simple, and completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy tech guides, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of form you're planning to create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.